In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Redbubble shop in just 5 minutes. Redbubble is a fantastic platform for artists looking to showcase and sell their designs on a variety of products from t-shirts and mugs to stickers and more. Setting up your shop is straightforward, so let's dive into the process. First, go to redbubble.com and click on the sign up button. This is where your journey begins. You'll have the option to create an account using your email, or if you prefer a quicker method, use your Google account to streamline the sign up process. After your account is all set up, the real fun begins. Now head over to your account settings and find the artist dashboard. This is your creative hub where you'll manage your designs, products, and shop settings. Once you're there, you'll see an option to add new work. This is where you can upload your first design. Make sure your design is something you really love, as this will be at the core of all your product offerings. Next, it's time to add some details to your design. Give it a catchy title, add relevant tags, and write an engaging description. These elements are crucial for helping customers find your work, so take your time to craft something descriptive and appealing. Consider what potential buyers might search for and include those keywords in your tags and description. Now, you get to choose which Redbubble products will feature your design. Whether it's a cozy hoodie, a sleek phone case, or a quirky sticker, make sure your design looks great on the selected products. It's like being a curator for your own little gallery. Once your products are selected, it's time to set your markup, also known as your profit margin. This step is important because it determines how much you'll earn for each sale. Find a balance between a competitive price and a rewarding profit. After that, enter your payment details. You can choose between PayPal or a bank account to receive your payments. Make sure the details are accurate so there are no issues when you start making sales. Don't forget to personalize your artist profile. Add a captivating banner, a short and interesting bio, and links to any other places where people can find your work, like your social media accounts or personal website. This is your chance to make a lasting impression on potential customers. Finally, click on that Publish button. Once you do, your shop goes live automatically and your creations are out there for the world to see. Congratulations, you've set up your Redbubble shop. Remember, the key to success on Redbubble is continuous engagement. Keep experimenting with new designs, updating your profile, and interacting with your audience. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful and you're ready to share your creativity on Redbubble. Happy selling!